Hello everyone, welcome to your 1,000-step walking workout today. So I'll be tracking our steps right along as we start walking, and I'll explain our intervals as we go. So let's go ahead and get started walking right away. I'm going to be tracking on my smartphone today my steps for everyone, so that way we can keep track of our steps. The goal today is 1,000 steps. So as you can see, I'm just marching on the spot. So that's going to be your first movement. We're going to change moves about every 30 seconds, and I'll explain what the move is a couple seconds before. So our first one is a march, just to get our body moving, warmed up a little bit. I'm very cold this morning, so I have my sweater on or my jacket on. We're going to do side steps next. So you're welcome to move with your side steps forward and back. You don't just have to stay left to right if you want to add a little bit of extra movement in here. You can always get your arms involved too. I find it more comfortable to move my arms around, get a little bit of extra movement in besides just my legs. Okay, and our next move, we're gonna walk front and back with narrow feet. So walking front and back with narrow feet, I'm gonna keep track of our steps for us today. Okay, we're going to be doing a similar movement, but with wide feet, going forward and back, doing a little toe tap. Just go as far as you can. If you have more space, you're welcome to use your entire room. If you have less space, just use the space that you have. Okay, we're gonna do some heel taps, backwards and forwards. So some heel taps. We were focusing on toe taps before, so now we're gonna focus on pressing our heels into the ground. Okay, we're gonna do 2 steps right and 2 steps left. So 2 steps right and 2 steps left. Okay, our next move, getting those arms involved once again. We're gonna be punching forward as we walk forward and punching back. So we walk back, so punching forward, walking forward and back. Okay, our next move, we're gonna tap forward, side, and back, and then we're gonna do a little march in place, forward, side, and back. A little march in place. And we're gonna switch legs after 30 seconds. So remember, our goal for this workout today is 1,000 steps. Okay, march it out. And other side. Okay, our next move that we're gonna do today, let's just march it out. Catch our breath a little bit. And we are 500 steps there. So awesome job, everyone. We are halfway to our goal. You can walk a little bit if you like with your march, or just stay in place, up to you. Okay, our next move, we're gonna be doing a straight high knee forward. So a high knee forward, and going back as well. Okay, our next move, we're gonna walk to one side of our room and then to the other. So one side and then to the other. If you don't have a lot of space in your room, you could always try to walk front and back, whatever works for you. So just use the space the best you have. And in 2, 1, we're gonna do a modified jumping jack, and we're gonna add some more extra movement with it. So I'm gonna be moving forward and back within my jumping jack. You could always keep it in place though, if you like. Okay, our next move, we're gonna do another high knee, but this time a twisting high knee. So twisting from side to side, moving forward and back. Okay, and our next move is gonna take a little bit of coordination, but I know we can do it. We're gonna kick forward and kick back. Kick forward and kick back. It doesn't matter which leg you start with, we're gonna do both. So I'm kicking forward and stepping back. So kicking and stepping back. A little kick or tap forward and step back. And then in the next 30 seconds, we're gonna move to the other side. Okay, next side. So kick forward, step back. A little kick forward, a little step back. Just make sure you try to switch legs. So kick forward, step back. A little kick forward, a little step back. Okay, our next move, we're gonna take this as an opportunity to catch our breath, and we're gonna do some marches. You can march in place, forward and back, left to right, it's completely up to you. And we are almost to our goal. So for the last move, we are going to run it out, and we're gonna do a little jog in place just to the finish line. So just jog in place with me, or you can take this forward and back as well, whatever you prefer. Just trying to get our heart rate up, and then we'll do a little bit of a cool down. We are at 1,000 steps, but we're gonna keep going to finish out our 30 seconds. Awesome job. 2, 1. Awesome job, everyone. So according to my smartwatch, it says I got 1,062 steps, or my smartphone. So awesome job, everyone, with that workout today. Let me know in the comments below how many steps you got in for today's 1,000 steps. Did you get 1,000 exactly, or a little bit more? Also, take this as time to cool down a little bit, maybe stretch it out, move your arms a little bit. Definitely don't need the jacket anymore. That 1,000-step workout got me really warm. So I will see you in the next one. Make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel.